going to see about the Unit 23 Economic Biology. So in this lesson we are going to see about what all the benefits towards the biology, that is plants or animals, everything we are going to see. So first in that we are going to see about the horticulture. What is horticulture? It is nothing but the science that deals with the study of fruits, vegetables and ornamental plants. So that is called as horticulture. So it deals with, we are going to see about the fruits, veggies and ornamental plants. So that is called as horticulture. And next we are going to see about the pomology. What do you mean by pomology? It is nothing but, pomum means it is nothing but fruits. Pomum means it is nothing but fruits. Legi means already you know, it is nothing but study. So study of fruits. How the fruits are being developed, how can we increase the technique towards the fruit, how can we cultivate, how can we increase the quality and quantity, the taste, everything. It is called as pomology. And this pomology, it is also called as fruit farming. Fruit farming. Clear? The branch of science that deals with the study of fruits are called as pomology. In this technique, we are going to see about the development, cultivation, quality, quantity, all the increasing sectors of this fruits are called as pomology. Next, we are going to see about the olericulture. It is nothing but vegetable farming. This is nothing but, it is also called as, here this is fruit farming and this is called as vegetables farming. So the same way, the branch of science that deals with the study of vegetables, how it can be cultivated, the methodology, the production management, the quality, quantity increase, all those things are called as olericulture. So here we are going to see about the growth of vegetables. This is called as olericulture or vegetable farming. And next we are going to see about the floriculture. Flori, it is nothing but flower. Can you understand? So here the branch of science that deals with the study of gardening. For example, if you take the garden, how far it will be? It will be a very colorful and beautiful to look over. So cultivation of flowers, how can we increase their texture, color, their production, all those things are called as floriculture. Clear? So here about cultivation of flowers, it is called as floriculture. Clear, children? So in the olericulture, that is vegetable farming, there are 4 different types are there that we are going to see in detail. So the first one is kitchen gardening. Kitchen gardening. Okay. So and next one, if you see commercial. Next one, commercial gardening. And next one, if you see vegetable forcing. And the last one is greenhouse. What are the benefits of these? First, if you see kitchen gardening, it is nothing but the vegetables are being grown only for the specific family, only for certain family. For example, if I want some vegetable, I can grow. For my family members, I can grow some of the vegetables and I can use it. So that is called as kitchen gardening. So this is also called as small scale production. Okay, so this is called a small scale production and for household purpose. So only for the household process, the vegetables are being grown means it is called as kitchen gardening. Commercial, it is nothing but for the large scale production. It's a production. And this, if you see, it will be sold in the market. Okay. So in a bulk they will prepare and they will harvest and they will be transferring that to the or taken to the market, and from the market the people can buy this. And next one, if you see vegetable forcing. Vegetable forcing are nothing but if the space are not been enough, what will happen? Usually if you see Chennai or Bangalore people, they used to grow the vegetables in their final floor. In their house itself, they will make a artificial garden, and in that sector, they will start growing some of the vegetables. Can you understand? So in the buildings, even in the greenhouse or cold farming, artificially they will set up a growth and they will start growing the vegetables are called as vegetable forcing. So especially in Chennai, Mumbai, the congested area, in those areas you can see this one. And next one, if you see greenhouse. Greenhouse are nothing but it is also called as polyhouse. An artificial setup will be prepared. The structure will be covered with the transparent materials, and what will happen? Too much of heat or too much of coolness, chillness, or too a high temperature will not be there. Okay, so the moderate set of climate will be there for the growth of plants, and this is more useful than any other thing. Clear? And here also vegetables or fruits or anything, it can be grown for the human consumption. Clear? Thank you, children. Okay. The next session question. So you are going to write a note on the horticulture, pomology, olariculture, floriculture. So this like a definition you want to write it. And second question, you are going to explain about the olariculture types. Okay. In depth you want to explain, and some of the examples also you have to give.